Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Solberga model SE2025 gearhead drill press. New in 1996. All original paint. Yeah, that is the color they use, that hammered green. They were distributed by Willis. Made in Sweden. You have spindle speeds from 75 up to 3,000 to, looks like 65. Jacobs ball bearing super chuck in there, 1/2 inch capacity. Morse tape at number 3, so you can knock it out and change it to a larger one if you'd like. T-slotted table in real good shape, just a handful of minor nicks on it. This is 2-speed, low voltage 3-phase. So when it's a 2-speed motor, you only get 1 voltage out of it, low voltage or high voltage. This would be low voltage, 208, 230. Right now, I believe we're in the high speeds. So this would be like 1640 in the first step, and then 3265. That's 1640. That's 3265. Let's go to the slower speed. What are we in here? Both facing forward. So this would be 295. And then, oh, I'm not reading this wrong. I should be reading the bottom chart. So this would be 350, and that's 700. So maybe, yeah, that would be 50 cycles. So 60 cycle would be 90 RPM for 3,205. So that's 700 RPM. We ran it through all the gears sound good, no damaged gears. Just a good condition gearhead drill. You can check this machine out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.